Hi YouTubers, this is the Goddess of Logistics. I started my dispatching journey not too long ago, and while I was gathering information and just educating myself, I realized there was not many resources out there to help us along our journey. I would find bits and pieces of information from different YouTubers, or there would be that random person who was offering to help just for $500, but there was no in between, so I became it. Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. On this journey so far, we've learned how to become a freight dispatcher, how to get paid, how the owner-operators get paid, how factoring companies work, what paperwork to get from your carriers. And now I'm going to let you know what documents you're going to need to send to the broker once the load is booked. Now, some of these documents you'll already have because you already collected them from your carrier. And remember, I said this prevents you from having to double back and contact your carrier asking for things when the broker asks for them once you book the load. So the documents that the broker is going to need from you is going to be the W-9, which you already have, the certificate of insurance, which you already have as well, the authority, the NOA, which is the notice of assignment, for the factoring company, and the broker agreement. Now, the broker agreement is something that the broker is, of course, going to send you and you will have to send back. But the information that goes on the broker agreement is information that you've already collected from your driver. So you'll be able to go look through those documents that you have on file and just transfer that information onto the broker agreement. You'll also need to send them a copy of the CDL. Now, one thing that the broker is going to send you is a rate con. The rate con is the rate confirmation. It's kind of what seals the deal. When you get that rate con, you need to send that along with the broker agreement over to your owner operator. This is you being completely transparent with your driver. Without the rate con, it's like they don't have what they agreed to. So the only way someone would keep that from them is if they are not being honest. So to create trust and just to be open and upfront and transparent with your owner operator, send them that rate con. That's theirs to have. You'll have a copy of it, of course, but it gives dispatchers a bad name when you're not providing the rate con for your owner operators. I do not understand why people leave that out, but I'm going to stress it to you. Always send them the rate con once you got it. This is the agreement. This is all the details of the agreement. This is their contract, sealing the deal, letting them know that this load is theirs. So this is something that they definitely need, along with, like I said, the broker agreement, so they'll know what they agreed to. And now that you've sent over all the required documents to the broker, you're ready to get it going. They can get on the road. They have their rate con, they have their confirmation, and they know where they need to pick up, when, how, the mileage, and everything they'll need to know. So hopefully this helps you. I'll see you next time. So if you've enjoyed this video and you want to continue to educate yourself on all things logistics, please like, share, and subscribe. And also remember, with all things logistics, you are in business for yourself, but never by yourself. I'll see you next time.